Hi guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to crack the master lock 40-digit combination lock. It's very easy, this will be a really short video. Just listen for the clicks. The first one will be a very slight click. So you just want to turn it and you hear a click when it's the right number. Oh, okay, so that number is 8. Now we're going to go to the second number, which would be slightly louder. Oh, 29. Oh yeah. And the next one will be very, you might miss it if you don't listen properly. So just listen. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's unlocked. Oh, and it's done. 2 steps. Actually, 3 steps.